Hello everyone, welcome to Free Learning School. I have started a new series where I will be describing a lot of accounting terms so that you don't get confused by different accounting terms. So if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell icon. So today's topic is what is abnormal spoilage. So if we see the definition, we can say spoilage is the cost accounting concept of waste that is produced during a job. Spoilage is a normal occurrence in all manufacturing. Think of it like a scrap. There will always be scrap metal or materials left over after a product is manufactured. In other words, spoilage is not only normal, it is unavoidable. So what does abnormal spoilage mean? Abnormal spoilage, on the other hand, refers to waste that could have been avoided. When manufacturing process go wrong or materials have defects, an abnormal amount of waste or spoilage is produced. The abnormal spoilage could have been avoided if the job or process went according to plan. So if we see an example, it will be much more clear to us. Let's take a look at this example. For instance, assume an ice cream company is in the middle of mixing up 10 million gallon vat of ice cream and the mixer breaks down. All of the ice cream in processes will be ruined or wasted. This spoilage could have been avoided if the machine didn't break down. Another example of abnormal spoilage is errors. If the chemist mixed too much cookies dough chunks into the ice cream mix, the batch could be ruined. The concept of abnormal spoilage reinforced the idea that management should maintain equipment and train or supervise personnel. The first example could have been avoided if the ice cream machine were maintained properly. The second example could have been avoided if proper supervision was given to the people mixing in the cookies. Oftentimes, what management saves is avoiding maintenance and training expenses, the loss in abnormal spoilage. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.